everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make cake pops. The first time I did it so I could experience it with now. And now, since I got the hang of it, now I'm going to be showing you how to make cake pops. So I'm raising money for my brother and I, we usually do lemonade stands each year to raise money for the Children's Hospital. But this year, since of COVID-19, I'm going to be making treats and asking all of you guys who's watching my video to help the Children's Hospital by donating money to them so the children can so the nurses and doctors can have the right medicine to treat the children at the Children's Hospital. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need flour, all-purpose flour. I'll put the recipe in the description box below. So I'm gonna pour it in here. Okay, now you're going to need sugar. Now you're going to need baking soda. Either this is baking soda or baking powder. I forgot. But it doesn't matter which one you put in first because you just need to make sure that you put in the dry ingredients first. Okay, your next ingredient will be some olive oil. The next one is going to be an egg. And then some milk. Okay, after you're done with the milk, you're going to add some vanilla extract, some lemon juice for the lemon theme, and some lemon zest. Alright, now you're done adding all the ingredients. You're going to put it in your mixture. This is my new one. My mom got it for me especially for this video. Hold on. I'm going to turn this to lock it. Come on, Bull. Lock. Okay, now you're going to press this to slide it in. Press this to slide it down. Now we're going to put it at level 1 because level 1 is very strong. And you can also stir it around so you can get ready to mix it. Okay guys, so now you're going to stop it and you're just going to get all the excess that hasn't been stirred right into, and make sure you go from the bottom too because there's some that hasn't been mixed. And you want to do this until you see that the batter is fully mixed and it is good and creamy, not too thick but not too liquidy. And you'll also need one of these. You can buy them off Amazon. They come in a set of one small and then one big like this. And I'm going to show you why it's so handy. Okay, now once you think you're done, you're just going to scrape your spatula on the sides, then put it to a side, and then turn it on so it can mix. When it's stirred. That means you know it's ready. So let's just do this. Okay. You want it to be like not too thick but not too liquidy like I said. So I'm just gonna put this over here. Okay, now I'm just going to push this to take it up. Alright guys, now I'm just going to slide it out, unlock it by doing it this way, and then we're going to take this, and now I'm showing you why it is so handy. So first I'm just going to push these to the side. So now I'm just going to push this to the side, and now I'm going to show you why this bottle is so handy. So the person who created this, it's very handy because they have a little top, and then they have an opening at the bottom, which is bigger. You know why? You are going to have it like this, and like this, and then put it like this, so you can pour it in. So let's do that. Okay guys, so now you need to get your spatula and just help the process and just get all the things that aren't coming to go down. If you need help, you can either ask a sibling to hold it or have you hold it and a sibling doing this. Or if you don't have siblings, you can just ask a parent. Okay, so now we're done with the bowl and we're just gonna put it over here. So now what I'm going to do is slowly take it and then screw it on. And make sure you do it tight, but not too tight, so you can have it. All right, now what you're going to be doing is you're going to be sliding this up. Just, come on, guys. Okay, guys, so now I got this really cute, Nerdy Num-Nums candy machine, a pot melter. It's really cute, so, I have chocolate melting in there. You can have chocolate chips, or you could have the circle ones. I prefer the circle chocolates. You can have milk chocolate, you can have dark chocolate, or you can even have white chocolate. So now while that's melting, you see this. This is a baby cake mini cake pop maker. So you're gonna open this, and then you're gonna take some oil and then just grease it inside of it. And make sure just do the outside too, just in case if you accidentally add too much, so it's easier to take out. I'm just gonna turn it to high real quick. Stay still, pot. All right, there we go. Now we're just gonna grease it more. Up here too. You don't need too much up there, just a little brush. All right, now we're done with the oil. Now you're gonna unscrew the top. Okay, oh, it just looks like I just opened yogurt. Okay, now you're just gonna pour in to the cake pop. Now you want to do it all the way to the top, but not too much, or else it's gonna overflow. Oh shoot, I forgot to get a plate, but you're going to need a plate so you can put the cake pops on once they're done. And once you shut it, it's going to rise. You just need to let it be like 5 or 4 minutes because it's going to be very quick. So, oh, and you also need to turn this on before so it can, like an oven, it can preheat. So it can be hot. And listen to the sizzle. That's my favorite part. Now you're gonna shut it, and then now I'm going to go and prepare what you're going to need. So you're gonna have these. You're gonna need these. You can also buy these popsicle sticks these sticks on Amazon as well. And then you're just going to pick some sprinkles that you want. I did chocolate, and a bowl. So what you're going to do after you dip it in the chocolate is you'll have to hold the cake pop, sprinkle it on, and all the sprinkles that fall down in here, they fall down in here instead of making a huge mess. Okay, guys, before I talk to you about anything more, let's go and check on our cake pop. All right. Oh my gosh, some of them are up there. Okay, so let's get a toothpick and see. This never happened. Okay. Okay, I think they're all ready. But just to be sure, I think I need to put more oil on there. Just to be sure, let's cook it for a little longer. All right, now what I was going to tell you was that you shouldn't use the cake box, the cake powder that's already that's pre-made, because the batter, that if you don't make it from scratch, it will be thinner. So I suggest you make it from scratch. It's really easy. I gave you the recipe, and it's actually really fun to make it from scratch. So I'm just gonna stir the chocolate so it can melt. Don't you see that? Looks so good. All right, I think it's time to take out the cake pops. Oh, okay, they fell down. Yay. Okay, I think it's ready. Yes, did I? They look so tiny on this big plate. I usually use smaller plates, but I just grabbed a big plate. Just wiggled that, you know. Come on, I don't care if you want to stay. You're coming out. And just make sure you get the scratch out too, and you can actually eat the scratch by itself. Actually, it tastes really good. Since there's like a little one like this one, or this one, it looks like a planet. Come out. Okay, once you have some cake pops. So first you're gonna let them cool, but while they cool, you're gonna take one of your sticks and you're gonna dip it like an inch into the chocolate just to get some chocolate on. And then you're gonna take a cake pop ball, stick it right in. Oops, that's not the middle. Oh well. And you're just going to put it in the stand that I have right here. I'm just gonna line that over right here. Okay, guys, wait. Hold on. I'm just gonna move these dishes. All right. All right, now here it is, the cake pop stand. All right, and you're gonna let that dry, so once you dip it into chocolate, it won't fall off. Now we're gonna repeat the same thing over and over. Done sticking them on, and now we just need to let them dry so we can stick it into the chocolate. Hey guys, it's the moment you've been waiting for, the dipping it in the chocolate and decorating it. Instead of using a bowl, the clean bowl, I decided we should use the dirty plate that we already used to keep the cake pops on. So let's get started. We just read the back of the chocolate bag, and then we just read that they say stir constantly. So we stirred it for a few minutes, and then it's like this, just doing that. Oh, yay. All right. Okay, guys. This one is gonna have chocolate sprinkles. Oh. Okay, guys, wait. Okay, guys, this one's done. Okay guys, so I just found out dipping in the sprinkles makes more of an accomplish than sprinkling on it. So, chocolate. Okay. So, I'm gonna do my last one with you guys. So first I'm just gonna stir it real quick. Okay, now I'm just gonna spread it on like this. Is like I said earlier, the chocolate mask bath, which is poison for the cake pop because I'm going to be eating it. Okay, if you have too much, just do this. And then turn it in like this, and then you can do this. Turn your bowl of sprinkles. All like this. See? Makes more of an makes more and it covers more. So that is what you do. And now we're gonna pop them in the freezer so they can freeze quicker so I can be with you guys for the video. Okay, so let's open it up and put it in. Okay guys, this is my brother. Hi. He loves my cake pops that I make. So when we just put it down and then we were getting ready to do this reveal, he secretly grabbed one and then I caught him. So it's okay though because we still have these other delicious cake pops. So now I'm going to get one. Wait, okay, you're not. I'll just take this one. Okay. Here you go, Lucas.
Chocolate sprinkled.
Okay, let's try it in 3, 2, 1, and try. I think it's really good, but let's pop them in the freezer for a bit longer so the shell can get harder. So if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my latest videos. And enjoy your cake pops. And please, please donate some money or some toys or anything that can help the Children's Hospital, but some money so the scientists can find a cure to the cancer. Bye guys, see you next time. And don't forget to check out my brother's channel. You can find him at Lucas Lee, Lucasle. Bye, see you next time.